the art world! I am Princess Mercury, and today Queen Elsa invited us to a magical decoration challenge. She built a majestic ice palace, but it's completely blank. She needs our magic colors to turn it into her ultimate dream castle before the winter celebration starts. Are you ready to help me splash some frozen magic? Give me a giant high five through the screen. Let's start coloring.
Let the colors spin from royal
Coloring. Blue. Let's bring this palace to life. First, we fill the massive ice towers and the main walls with a grid. This color is made of pure enchanted ice. Look how bold and magical it looks already. Can you blink your eyes like a winter fairy every time a tower turns blue? White. Blink, blink. Great job, artists. Our dream castle is fully painted, but it needs the final ice spell to shine like a superstar. Sparkle. Can you help me activate the diamond glow? Rub your hands together to make some winter magic. Count to 3 and blow a big puff of frost dust to the screen. 1, 2, 3. Blows. Wow, look at that. Hundreds of beautiful white snowflakes and shining stars are glittering all over the walls and the doors. It's absolutely breathtaking. Transformation. Elsa's dream ice castle is finally complete and ready for the winter ball. Besties, you are the most talented artist in the kingdom. Now, I need your royal vote. Which part of this castle did you love the most? The fluffy white snow or the magical sparkly doors? Don't leave Arendelle just yet. Click on the next video right now to discover more enchanted princess art stories. See you there. Bye-bye.